Hello students, in this video I am going to explain different types of function. So here you can see 5 different types of arrow diagram, 5 different arrow diagram which are representing functions. So all these diagrams are representing function because we know the definition. If every element of A has unique image in B, then it is called function. Then the relation is called function. So here you can see in this relation f from A to B, every element of A has unique image. Every element of X has unique image in Y. Every element of M has unique image. Unique image means 2 has only one image, 1 has only, so every element, all the elements, they have one image in the next set, image in Y. Every element of M has ஒவ்வொரு எலமெண்ட்ல இருந்து ஒரு இமேஜ் இருக்கும், ஒரு இமேஜ், not two images, 4 and 5 அப்படியெல்லாம் கிடையாது. Rho means only 1, 4, like that. You can check all these diagrams are representing functions. So now we have to identify the types of function using the arrow diagram. So the first type is, I will explain, 1-1 function. This is the first type, 1-1 function. So 1-to-1 function means in the heading itself we can understand 1-to-1. One has only one image which is 4, and 4 has only one pre-image which is 1. So only 1 and 1 connection, 1-to-1 connection. If you check, இதுக்கு ஒரே ஒரு இமேஜ் தான் இருக்கும், இந்த 5க்கு ஒரே ஒரு ப்ரீ இமேஜ் தான் இருக்கும். So if for example, if you look here, -2 has only one image which is 4, but 4 it does not have only one image, it have two images, -2 and +2. 1 it has two images, but here it is not like this. 4 means only one pre-image, 5 means only one pre-image, 1 and 1 connection, 1-to-1 connection. So this type of function is called 1-to-1 function, 1-1 function. Understand? So when you write the definition, இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் common thing, if a function f from A to B is said to be then this is the common thing. So when you write the definition of 1-1 function, if a function f from A to B is said to be 1-1 function, then how after that you can write the definition by your own words, by your understanding. So if they have 1-to-1 connection, such a function are called 1-1 function. So how will you write? Little more clear. So in the textbook also they have given the definition, so you can verify, or you can write by your own words. Okay, this is 1-1 function. Such a 1-to-1 connection is 1-1 function. But if any element of B, if f from A to B is, so here I have taken x and y, so xy கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா you can take the name as f from x to y. Okay, AB na, if you are writing AB, no problem, you can take it as AB. Okay, it doesn't matter, name இங்க என்ன எடுக்கிறோமோ அதை இங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். f from x to y is said to be many one function. The second type is many one. Many one means in the set B, in the set Y, at least one pre-image will have one image will have more than one image, one pre-image. One image will have, at least one image will have more than one pre-image. ஒரு இமேஜுக்கு more than 2 pre-image இருந்துச்சுன்னா such a function are called many one function. ஒரு இமேஜுக்கு 2 or 2 or more pre-image. If there are 2 or more pre-image for only one image, such a function are called many one function. ஒரே இன்னொரு இப்போ 3 அதுவும் கூட போய் கனெக்ட் ஆகிருக்கலாம். அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா that is not a one function, that is many one function. ஸோ அது ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்தாலும் போதும், இல்லைனா லைக் இங்கே 2 இடத்துல இருக்குது. Here 1 and 1 has, here the image 1 has 2 pre-images, namely -1 and 1. So it is not a one function, it is many one function. அப்படின்னு எழுதலாம். Okay, so that is the many one function. Then the third one is onto function. Third one is onto function. Here you can see, here in this 2 type, in the set B, in the domain, in the codomain, this is domain, this is codomain. In the codomain 9 and 10 does not have any pre-image. Here also 5, 6, 7 they do not have any pre-image. But here all the elements of the codomain they have pre-image in the domain. Okay, so if a function f from m to n is said to be what function? Onto function, then every element of n have pre-image in the set m. A B நடத்தினா every element of B should have pre-image in A. So all the elements in the codomain have pre-image in the domain. Such a function are called onto function. Then fourth type is into function. So into function means at least one element in the second set, it should not have pre-image, it should not have pre-image, without pre-image. At least one element should be there without pre-image in the codomain. Okay, so here this is one function, and also this is into function, because here two elements are there without pre-image. Here 3 elements are there without pre-image, at least one element without pre-image. So குறைஞ்சது ஒரு எலமெண்ட்டாவது pre-image இல்லாமல் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது into, எல்லாத்துக்குமே pre-image இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது onto. That's all. That is the difference between into and onto function. Then fifth type is bijection. Bijection means both 1 and onto, both 1 and onto. ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் 1 இருக்கு onto-ஆவும் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா that is bijection. We know bi means 2 means both 1 and onto here. So 1 means 1-to-1 connection, இது 1-to-1 connection தான். Onto means all the elements of the second set, all the elements of the codomain should have pre-image in domain. So இங்கே codomainல இருக்க எல்லாத்துக்குமே pre-image இருக்கு. No elements without pre-image. All the elements they have pre-image. So this is 1-to-1 connection, and also எல்லாத்துக்குமே pre-image இருக்கு. So onto, both 1 and onto. This is 1 but not onto. 1 into, because 2 elements. This is many one into, because so this is the basic 5 different types of function. So when you write the definition, if f from a to b is said to be many one function, so we have to write that definition. After that, then every element, then at least one or two element, at least one element, they should have two, it should have two pre-images in the domain. Onto function, if f from a to b is said to be onto function, then every element of the set B have pre-image in A. So like that we have to write the definition by our own understanding. So I hope you understood. So just you can take the screenshot of this board and you analyze these things, then you will understand easily.